Welcome to MyProjectBazaar. Today's topic is a Streamlining Financial Management System. The abstract of the project. Abstract. Streamlining a financial management system is a project that aims to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the way organizations manage the financial resources. This can be achieved by implementing the variety of measures such as the automating manual processes. This can be done using the software tools, automated tasks such as data entry, invoice processing, and account reconciliation. Centralizing and integration financial data. This involves creating single repository of all financial data, such as the enterprise resource planning system. Let's make a ERP system as model of the CRM system. This can be improve the visibility, access to the financial information, and faculties better the decision making. Implementing financial reporting and analyzing tool. This tool can help organization to generate the reports and insight to the financial performance. Flow of the project. Admin pages will be have the check information will be login page only have give. Do not login page as the not a registered page will not give. Then we redirect the home page plus the email ID and password. You have pages will have customer registration, customer list, ad schemes, and pay systems. Customer registration will give the customer details like a name, phone number, address, and government ID, and a requirement loan with which scheme will have enhanced. We see the customer list of the how many customers will be have enhanced the project will be module of the system. When and ad schemes will have more schemes will be the projects in a personal loan, home loan, something else, etc. We have ad schemes for the schemes to add. We have to review the schemes will be explain the customers. When you have the pay system will be repayment schedule have enhanced this system. All data will be have stored the databases. The customer registration as the check information will have the database, will have the user interface will be shown, have a registration, the customer details have name, phone number, ID, address, something else to have the enhance the customers. When you have to see the customer list, the admin have edit options, details will have shown, and view the repayment schedule and payment details will be have that. In a customer will be delete or customer will be closed, will have delete the data. Then the customer will be repayment schedule will have the hand mode or UPA something else to use the customer pay options. Will have all data will be stored in the database as the my ending video. Open the VS Code to type the known man server JS. The server will be started. Open the Chrome browser to type the localhost 3000. Password as to redirect the home pages. It's a home page. Customer registration. We have registration as the any name. Sam. Customer phone number. Customer address. Customer Aadhaar number. They have record loan 75,000. Then have a personal loan and upload the photos. When I have a submit to create profile will be created. Have loan as the 25,000 will be sanctioned. sanction amount will have getting, then will be print the option like a print repayment schedule will be displayed that customers will have is the John has the home loan 75,000, Nancy phone loan, but or something it's personal loans. The customer list have edit, delete and view the options have needed. They have edit details as the you have only the customer mobile number like 9986785634 and address will have changed. We will not change the Aadhaar number and require loan. That's it. We have updated. That's it. When you have loan details will have needed, you have this statement will have displayed. Then when payment and pay list and invoice will have taken amount is 3 lakhs and remaining amount number of installment remaining installment will be have shown that. When you have delete the customer you have deleted, are you sure? Okay, which the ID will be deleted. To enroll the ad schemes, have scheme name as a agree, loan amount as a lakh, request as 5,000 something. Then will be have monthly payment, number of installment 24. It's successfully added. Then view the schemes will have the agree 1 lakh 5,000 require asset and something else have us display. You can edit the schemes edit options will display your recur assets some like a 5 lakhs and select duration as week. You'll have submitter will change over that. Installment amount it's a 4,164. In the weekly ones you have 24 installment will have display the amount of 1 lakh. That's it. Then you have the customer pay will show the customer ID, scheme ID, customer number 4. You have the scheme 1. Scheme 1 is the home loan, something else we have that. Then name will display and scheme loan home. Scheme ID will display the scheme. That's it. In the amount of requirement amount you have remaining amount will be paid the 6,666 rupees 0.77. Have number of installment is 12. In the remaining installments 2 have displayed. Installment amount will have display and when will be have the date will get the loan and the payment option will be shown. Will have the pay to handle the pay that options. Then have the invoices will have invoice the redirect the pages. That's it. Thank you.